Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an awesome paper airplane. The paper airplane is a floppy Stingray. The plane is one of my first designs. I always wonder why people don't realize there's an awesome paper airplane like a Stingray on my channel. So I decided to remake the tutorial to share with you the awesomeness of the plane. To make the Stingray, you need a piece of your letter size paper. Just use regular piece of paper. Don't use thick paper, this won't work. If you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper. Just use regular printing paper, this will work the best. Alright, so first step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Alright. Second step, let's start from the upper edge, fold both sides of the edge to the center crease. Just a little bit. Third step, start from this upper tip, first straight to this line. Next step, let's start from this tip, forward to the upper edge. Now, unfold the paper. Start from this tip again, first straight to this line. Fourth step, let's start from this edge, match it to the edge up here. Fifth step, let's start from this upper tip, first straight to this corner. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Start from this tip again, first straight to this corner. Now, let's unfold the upper part of the paper. Fold this part of the paper down. First down a little bit more, until you see this line match with this edge, and this line on the other side match with the other sides of the edge, and you can press the paper down. Next step, let's hold the paper up. You can see this tip, and you see these two layers, they have a gap between. Let's connect the gap all together by folding this tip inward. Curve the paper and then push it in as much as you can. Alright, and now I can press down the paper. On the following step, this is tricky. Let's push it back again and put the paper down. Okay, let's hold the paper right here. Since one pull up again. Next step, let's start from this corner for a straight line along this edge, and the distance here is about half an inch, or you can force a little bit further, about 1 inch. That should be okay. Press the paper down. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Alright, you can see this part of the paper is pulled up again. Let me push it inward a little bit more. Okay. And then I press the paper down. Now this is what we have. Let's flip the paper over. Fold the paper in half. Now, let's estimate about half an inch along this edge or the center of this edge. Make a straight fold to this corner to create the first wing. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Flip the paper over and fold the same. Alright. Press down the paper on this side and that side. Here you go, guys. I just complete the Stingray. But does this flap the wings now? No, it won't work unless you curve the ends of the wings up like this. Think about the Stingray wings, or the Stingrays, how it look like. Okay, so curve this side up and this side up as well. With flap at this time, it may flap or not flap. So you need to press it down, make a hard fold, and then unfold. Okay, you may need to do it a couple of times to make sure that the blanks will fly up. Fold the end of the wings up like this to create elevators. Alright, guys. Here you go. This is a Stingray. So, hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like the tutorial, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.